As we gathered our data here and we organized as showed in spreadsheet. Inhibition efficiency. Concentrations. HOMO. LUMO total dipole adsorption energy. We put the equation parameters here. And then we program our equation. To lock like this. After our equation we set then make square differences between experimental data and predicted data. The main objective for the Excel solver is to minimize the summation of differences between experimental data and predicted data. When the minimum point of minimization is reached, our square gets highest, and regression goal is achieved.